morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you see this video, I greet you that time. So, my name remain Everyday Blessing TV. In case you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, you dey waka for inside YouTube. You want see wetin dey go on for this world. Type Everyday Blessing TV. You go see am there. I sit down gidigba there. If you reach there, you subscribe. Case I upload video, you go be number one to receive any latest. And you still follow me for page Real Message. That is the name of the page. Now here, anything you find, the real truth, anywhere you find to hear the truth. Now here, you go to YouTube, Everyday Blessing TV. You go to page Real Message. You type on Real Message. You will see on there. So, we get things to talk about today. So, before I go, I will try to make understand. I will not talk much. We have our sister in the house, so you want to talk to now. Our sister Rita Ayemiomo TV. So she gets something to explain, to talk about. She did here, so she go talk to una, make una hear it. And who dey inside or who never enter inside, he go use it until learn. So, Madam Rita explain to the whole world. So, watch very well and listen and watch. Take from inside.
To a man, if you have a problem with the government, whether you are mentally challenged or it has to do with a physical violence, a domestic violence, when you don't already do violent already, your pikin when you born, then they collect her. Even though say that case was 5 years ago, if you never prove yourself, then go collect the pikin when you born with another woman. And they go tell the woman, say, it's either the woman take the child, or he take the child away from you, or the child will be collected because the child is at risk. That is one thing a lot of people don't know. People, they talk, say, why this girl go remove belly? Now, the reason why she remove belly now be this, because she not go ever born. As long as she did Germany or Austria, she not go born, make she hold on. The very day when she dey born that pikin for hospital, now government go collect the pikin for her hand. Because she have a mental case situation in the Austria government's hand. She have a serious mental case situation for the government's hand. So the man can't call me for here. Germany don't joke with that, no. So when the man called me, now Ireland be this, I don't even know, say then they said they get this kind of law for Ireland. What did they tell me? Say, Rita, I have a problem. What is your problem, Mr. Man? He said, the woman when I go meet. He said, the time when I meet this woman, I don't even know the problem where he gets. But this is the beginning of the whole problem because person tell me, say, this woman, they always they beat the only daughter where he gets. Then say it's a physically challenged woman where they beat pikin, where they beat children. The woman come, they beat the pikin. They beat pikin. Now, people where they, you know, say some mothers they where they quit the raisins. And some fathers they like that too. That they quit the raisins. Now, so this kind person be. The raisins where they beat the pikin. And as they beat her, other people where they up, they come they listen, they come they listen, they come they listen, they come they gather the something for woman. The woman don't know. Maybe she herself don't already get mental problem, mental case where she don't understand. Say people they monitor her for. She don't know her. She can't beat Peking every time. She can't beat Peking every time. As the monitor and finish, they carry the situation, go tell government. Government can say, okay, make them the monitor. They don't monitor this woman. They can't even. Now, Benin woman, they tell na back. So, Benin woman for Ireland. And the woman that time, they Aduro house. He never get anything. Now, this Aduro house, now the paper never complete. Only one picking way he gets. The way they beat her out of anger and everything. He never even meets this man way complain for me. So, yes, it's YouTube, my dear. It's YouTube. It's YouTube. I don't have the right features yet on YouTube. That is why. So, my people, before you know it, this woman, she was taken to the government with the Germans they call Jugendamt. And Jugendamt begins to monitor her. They begins to monitor her. They notice that you are a child beater. You batter your child. You batter your pikin. You dey fight your pikin. For that reason, this pikin will decide to remove the pikin for your hand. Now, so they can't carry pikin. Government carry pikin. They carry for this woman's hand. When they collect the first pikin for her hand, this woman was running a task at make it try, make it collect the pikin back for government's hand. But she not fit. As she try reach, she not fit. Inside that situation where you take a look for a pikin where you want collect for government hand, so as she take day alone as a single woman, now this man can't take Jama. As this man Jama, he can't see and he like her. Oh, now Benin woman you be. He say yes, I be Benin woman. So now Benin woman you be. He say yes. Oh, I like you. I want to date you. I want to get a relationship with you. Are you understanding me? This man carry this woman begin the date. He don't even know what's in the ground. He don't know say na risk now in the face. He don't know what's in the ground for government's hand. He don't know what the government write for their office. He don't know what they write for paper. The reason why this lady who is in Austria will go destroy pregnancy for this man. So the reason why any man will marry her for this Europe, you're going to have a big challenge. The challenge that you are going to have, as long as you are a man, you are living in Europe, this is the problem that you are going to have. First of all, before you think of marrying this girl, make she born for you, go to her office, her doctors where they take care of her. Ask for her health insurance. She has to produce her health insurance. Yes. Somebody said, my girlfriend's daughter left Holland and now she's in UK without her children. She's in UK without her children. You see? Ask for her health insurance. You get there for the collect health insurance history. If you collect that health insurance history, many people, they look over these things. They don't know. If you meet man, you meet woman, you see the way that they misbehave. They are behaving funny. Before you want to sit down, say, let me begin a bomb for this kind of people. Make sure you get their health registration or their health insurance history, their health history. Health history is very, very important. If you don't understand how your partner is behaving, if you date them, you don't understand how your boyfriend they behave if you date them, go collect health history. If you collect the health, tell her, may go use the hand and bring her because you cannot bring it by yourself. She needs to go and pay. For Germany, they pay put. I think it's around 30 or 40 euro. You pay to collect your health history. This one is not your, it has nothing to do with health. You just take your pay. Just go to the Ministry of Health. They normally give it to people in the Ministry of Health. Go and collect health history. If you collect that health history finish, look and tell them me two of una go meet doctor. If you don't feel read down, you go know whether a woman where you feel born with or whether not be woman where you feel born with. Yes. Because even if you born how many children, now government picking now you born. And now government now you they born for. You are giving birth to government children. You are going to waste your time, waste your effort, waste your energy, lose your brain, lose your sanity, lose everything that is good about you. Because you just jump into the life of one woman because you want to have a girlfriend or you want to, before you know it, to tell you, say, I get baby, you don't know. What happened, the reason why this lady go remove this pregnancy. Now say they analyze it. The man say, by the time when he say, this woman can't get belly for her. Before you know it, she can't get belly because she not get paper. He might tell and say, make I get belly for this man, we get paper. If I get belly for this man, we get paper. Before you know it, they go carry paper. They go give me. Before you know it, me myself, I go bond the pikin. I go get paper. The reason why she decide to get that belly, I be that. And the man don't know. Because the man, they happy say, oh, I see young girl married. We never get distances. Where your pikin, say na small mistake, oh, it just happen for inside bedroom where be say it beat her 1 or 2 times. Some people go report her, they can't collect the baby. But he not tell the man, say, I was giving a psychology test. Germany, they call it psychology test. When you are behaving the way you are not supposed to behave. When you are behaving abnormal, they normally send people. Even when you are sick, you Your sickness, doctor no feel, they not trace the reason of your sickness again. They not feel understand the reason why you dey sick again. You sick for morning, you sick for afternoon, you sick for night. They give you medication, you know they work. They do all the tests and everything what they do for human being. They do one for your body and they not green work for your body. She have 2 children with 2 men. One is with the father and the other one is with the... Good evening. Yes. So, now so this man can say, okay, because he never enter the woman health history, make him know what's in the happen. He can't say, make the woman born the pikin, she get belly. The woman can't get the belly can grow. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Now so pikin can grow. For belly. As pikin grow finish, then go hospital, then born am. The man say, if they hospital bed, where he sit down for hospital bed, where he sit down put for hospital bed, when people follow doctor enter house, who are they? These are the people where they take care of it. How do you call them? You call them welfare. Child welfare. Child welfare, now they call them. For here, we call them Jugendamt in Germany. You see? Now, so child welfare, they follow this man. They follow the nurses and doctors to enter hospital. The first day, when his wife deliver his first baby for hospital for Ireland. Child welfare follow and enter house. When they follow and enter house for inside hospital, they look the baby. They tell the woman, say, make the man take and go out. Say they want to talk. Yeah, talk. When they talk, finish, they call and they carry paper put for ground. Say sign. The man say, what kind of paper is this? Am I supposed to sign? He say, you have to sign this paper. It's an order from the government. Why am I supposed to sign? The woman knows the reason why you are supposed to sign. She said, I don't know. Why is my man supposed to sign this kind of paper? I don't know. Really? You don't know the reason why you are supposed to sign? Say, no, I don't know. Really? Before you know it, now government tell them, say, this baby who not born today for hospital. You know, they follow now, they go house. You know, they pass here. Because for Europe, now woman, I ain't get picking. This baby not go follow you pass here. Not they follow you go house. Now the man say, what? What are you talking about? Are you for real? The baby when my wife carry for 9 months for hospital? For Bele? We come hospital, come born. You will say, no, they follow me, they go house. Now government tell us, say, no, they follow now, they go house. There's a serious case concerning this woman who born this baby. And that time the man here do mara a serious case. He said yes. What is the case? And government tell them say the case is that this woman has not been clean. She never did clean. She never bring paper of her sanity come. Say she done the same. And she never clean for government hand. The first pikin where they collect, where government collect, where still the government hand. That's the reason why they will collect this one. As long as she live in the territory of Ireland, even though say she born 10 children, we will begin to collect all of them because she's not worthy to be a mother. She's not sane enough to be a mother. She's not normal enough in the head to be a mother and keep her children. So for that reason, we will collect this child. And today and now. Hey! Somebody says, Sister Rita, clean the front camera. Really? It has nothing to do with the front camera. Now, so my YouTube view, I don't know why my people. I'm doing the necessary application to get it in order. Don't worry, very soon. It will be fine. I'm working on it. I live in Dusseldorf. I know a Ghanaian lady and a Nigerian lady. It happened to them. Till date, any child she gave birth to was taken from her immediately after birth. Yes. That is how it is. If government don't succeed, take one picking for your hand. According to German law, I don't know any other country, but according to the German law that I live, the Germany that I live, Deutschland that she also live, because Austria is Deutschland. That's the reason she removed the pregnancy. She didn't remove it because of say, oh, may I just remove her. She know the consequences of that thing. She can never give birth. The worst and the best she can do to have a child again of her own that will stay with her is for her to go to Nigeria. Give birth to a child and leave the child there. You know who they see her? This Madam Kalekwa we de Australia na siso. Madam Kalekwa in the territory of Europe can never have her own child that will stay with her. That one where he gets where your husband ho. Those three where your husband hold. Yes, she have them, but she don't have the rights to those children. She don't have the normal sanity to be with those children. Ask her, why have you never seen her before taking picture with her children? Then you go put them for Facebook. Or sit down with the children, go say, I can't visit my children. Why you never see them? Even people where they pay, men where they pay, they give mothers where they take care of their children. There is a time they normally visit their children. They sit together with the mother. They sit together with everybody inside the house and they visit. So, my people, may I not divert the story. Now, so island government take collect this pikin. They collect for this woman hand. That was the end of that child. Woman cried. The man cried. They lamented. Please thumbs up the video. If you are watching, help me to join me to thumbs up this video, please. They lamented. Then cry. They say this one will happen, so never happened before. Austria and Germany have the same law. I live in Austria for 7 years now. Okay. So in Austria, it's also like that. When government don't already collect person pikin, if he born again, then they collect him again. That's what they do in Austria. That's what they do in Germany. So the reason why she go remove the pregnancy, that is the reason. So born, not be say she not go feel born, she go born, but she cannot keep that pregnancy. They will not leave the baby for her. No. The very day when she born the pikin for inside hospital, now that same day they go collect her. She knows about these things that I'm telling you people. Because her mental case and her mental health is not in order. She cannot carry a child and have a child in her hand as long as the situation of things remain like this. So, at times, what did they pay me pass? When people have problem like this, what are they supposed to do for themselves? When you see people who have this kind of challenge, this is a big challenge. It's a big problem that you are not supposed to play with. This is not a time for every normal person who really love his life and love his children to sit down for Facebook. They follow person, they talk, they fight with people who don't fight them. It's not the normal time. The time, even people that are around her, now I can't blame pass. Person they play with you now, he dey with you now. Enough he collect the pikin for government and 3 children. Now papa collect for a hand. Hold on, my people, let me get my charger back. 3 children. Now government collect for a hand. 3 children. The friends that are around her, the people that are around her, what did you people do to help her to get 3 children back? Nothing. The only thing you could do for this little girl is to make her to be joining you to fight your battles on social media. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. This is not how to use people. This is using. Now this one, I will they call using. I don't understand. This is bad. When you have opportunity to help a person, if this kind of person they around me, if they always they support me, if they help me, if they fight my battles where they don't give her for social media, and I see and say she herself, she's not happy, she's crying and dying inside. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to join that person to not be too comfortable with your life and you forgot a person that is fighting a battle for you day and night. Daddy, please help me with that charger. You forget a person that is fighting a battle for you day and night. You go fight your battle, go even fight other people who won't join her. What did you do for this person? Did you collect this person and take this person to hospital and say, this your mental case will increase like this? Let's find a way to decrease it? No way. Yeah. Okay. I'm here. What did you do for her? Nothing. Did you take this person to say, let me check your health history? Let's see how we can be managing your sickness. See how we can be managing your problem. My dear friend, my dear sister, even the people where you value, even the people where you call your sister, even the people where you put your trust for their body, where you love, where they around. The best thing you people could do to this person is to mock her. Is to mock her. Is to laugh at her. When I listened to that audio, I was crying. I said, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh. One person even talk for inside that video. He say, for inside that audio when I listen, one person talk for inside, he said the total way you forgive this person may fuck. You don't give her may fuck, you can't go give the other person may fuck her. Oh my God. You don't treat people like that. Good evening. Good evening, my people. This is wrong. I cheat on Armenia now. Person where you don't already call your own, please thumbs up the video. Person where you don't already call your own. You see and say the situation where this person did. And if he dey where una dey for secret, he go dey cry, so cry, so cry, so cry. He don't cry it in the public. She cover her shame. She cover her depression. She cover her problem. She cover it up with launching on people repeatedly on social media. And you people know this secret. And you people are very aware of this problem. And the worst you people could do is to be mocking her. The worst you could do, good friends and best friends won't say on be. Now to they tell and say, why this person, why not give the toto to this person if you just give this person now for better pass. Wamaton monobie, wamaton ye. Wamaton wanokede, wamaton erere, wamaton on a vie. If they cry for una me una see, they cry. On a vie. Even the cry where they cry, touch me. Or the many say, you don't come out, come misbehave, come talk to my parents anyhow. But as they cry, the thing pay me. I know, say, inside me, I know that this child is a wayward child, will be say, it don't dey okay. But if person not dey okay, who they feel some? Not be people where they go. You see, there are no friends anymore, my people. These days, your friends are the first people that will put your problem in the streets. Nah, you love paper that they carry up and down, say, they have put the friend, all of them, they recorded her, they threw it to the media so that all her secret will be in the media. How did you help her? Did you help her to follow her to where her children are one day? To go and see her children? Did you follow her to clear the problem where she get for government's neck? So that she can have the right of visitation, a normal visitation, not a controlled visitation to her own children? Did you do that? No way. No way. You didn't do any of this. The best you could do is to select among you who will have sex with her, who will fuck her, who will sleep with her. Una turn her to dog. Una turn her to public dog. Una begin to share her like national cake they give one another. Among una. Una begin to use her until they clear una konji. Una begin to use her until they clear the konji where they una body. Una not pity children. Una not pity sanity. We bona. Oh, when we bomu eh? Whatsoever she's doing on Facebook today is a big evidence for the father of her children will ever. Yes, my dear people. You see what is happening on Facebook. The reason why I advise her this afternoon to say, don't come out on Facebook again. Oh, you don't love your children. This one is a big evidence. Even me, when you come out on Facebook on the chat to the talk, when I know say God may collect your children. You think I will not screenshot you, take your video, take whatever you are doing when I'm very angry with you to hammer you more so that if you are supposed to see your children in the next 5 years, it will take you another 10, 15 years to see them? Stupidity in the highest order. Stupidity in the highest order. People, be careful of friends. Friends are wicked. Friends are wicked. Be careful of what you put your hands. Very few friends for this life where we did so nice to good. Now it's still normal. Now they help people. Now they help person. Very few. Not be all friends. Be friends again, my people. Not be all friends. Be friends again. What did you do? Her mother on social media. What did you do? Her father on social media. What did you do? You people did absolutely nothing. You didn't do anything to help this girl. You made her become a woeful failure. You make her become a total jerk. You make her become a total complete